tornado warning in Lake County, Ohio here. And these clouds are looking real fucking weird. This is not smart to be out in this, but I like taking risks. It's quite exciting. Sorry if the quality isn't that good. I'm trying my best, but as you can see, there's a funny looking cloud up there. Near the lake, some pretty big lightning. Little base cloud right there. Oh, it's doing some weird rotation stuff. And something out there I can't quite tell, but it's a very mysterious looking cloud. It's got a weird, I don't know, weird look to it. I don't know, complex. There's rotation right there. Oh my God. There's rotation right there a little bit. Oh, man. This is not good. Right over me. Yeah, I probably shouldn't be standing right here. Or I probably shouldn't be out here, period. Pretty crazy. Right over there, right up there is where the point of interest is. It's very ominous. And it's clashing over here. I can see right over here. There's clouds coming from the south going north, and this stuff is coming off the lake. Wow, big huge thing of lightning. Look, that's going northwest, and this is coming southeast. Pretty crazy. I hope I can capture a touchdown for my video. That would be very neat. This is very dangerous, but I've always wanted to do this. Oh, what's this over here? Oh my God, what is that? What is that? Oh my God, that might be something. I can't tell. Man. Oh, look at that. It's coming down. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is so awesome. Yes. Oh, right over there. See by that white water tower? I don't think you guys could see it from here. I'm gonna run over here for a better view for you guys and for myself. This is so fucking cool. Whoa, that was big. Oh shit. Jesus Christ. Oh shit, it's another big one. Oh my God, look at out there. It's fucking nuts.